Here's what's making news on Roadshow. The EPA is finally relaxing something that could help John and Jane Q Public by allowing repair facilities to pass the buck on disposing of faulty explosive Takata airbag inflators. Now, these facilities can send the inflators to a designated facility to have them disposed of properly, rather than doing it themselves or, like throwing it in the trash. Hopefully, this speeds up the rate of repair on these deadly inflators. Jaguar Land Rover is introducing a vehicle-to-everything communication system that will determine the optimum speed for a driver to maintain to hit the maximum amount of green lights in traffic. Best idea ever, right? Well, vehicle-to-everything communication promises more than just convenience to drivers. With more advanced systems, it should prove to be a boon to safety as well. In the vein of things that are totally obvious, like water being wet and pizza being awesome, the IIHS has determined that automatic emergency braking helps to reduce the likelihood of a crash, especially crashes that result in injuries to drivers and occupants. Furthermore, IIHS has found that automatic emergency braking was more effective at preventing crashes than forward collision warning. So, yeah, good work, technology? Find more on these stories over at theroadshow.com. We'll talk to you tomorrow.